Before I dye my hair white, let's get into a quick hair recap. Last year, I was a natural brunette and decided to split bleach my hair for the very first time. A few weeks later, I decided to do the other half, and a year later, I have 6 inches worth of roots and decided to go full white. So now let's get into the video. I start by splitting my hair into like 12 different sections. And then when I'm done with that, I put Vaseline all over my forehead and ears and bottom of my neck so the bleach doesn't get on it and burn my skin. After that, I get my bleaching products ready, and to bleach my hair, I use L'Oreal Quick Blue Powder and developer that is 30 volume from Salon Care. And then I mix the two together until I get a conditioner-like consistency, and then I try to fully saturate my hair. And let me clarify, only on the roots. And this would also be the time you would only go on the roots first, because usually if you bleach your hair, you want to do the ends first and the roots last. But since my roots are darker, I'm doing the roots first. Well, if this is what you would call roots at this point, they're so grown out I don't even know if they're roots anymore. Also, let me clarify, I am not a licensed professional, and you'll be able to tell that by the end of the video. I also put a towel around my neck, but I probably should have done that sooner. So this is me just trying to go and get every section of hair I can, but I only had 4 ounces of the powdered bleach left, so I was running out of bleach, so I kind of had to be really careful. But this is still the sloppiest bleach job I've ever done, given I've only done it 2 other times, so. My arms were hurting so badly by the time I was finished with this. I don't know, I guess that just shows how out of shape I am. Okay, so after the first round of bleach, my hair was really yellow, so that meant I needed to go over it one more time, which I was already expecting to do. So if you bleach your hair and it turns out yellow, don't be scared, just bleach it again. And then after I bleach it again, I'm going to tone it twice, but we'll get to that later. Okay, now this is what my hair looks like after the second round of bleach. It looks a little yellow, some parts are white, but now I'm going in with toner. The toner I'm using is from Wella and it's called T18. And I'll put the product on the screen right here. I've put this toner on my hair when it was dry before, but this time I'm doing it when it's wet, and it worked so well on wet hair. The product just soaked right up and it spread evenly, and I would recommend using it on wet hair for sure. Right here I'm just massaging it in my hair just to make sure I've gotten it everywhere. So this is my hair after the T18. Now I'm going in with the Uberless Bond Platinum Jasmine, and I'm going to put the product on the screen right up here. And I'm putting it only in the darker spots so it can hold on to that longer. And then when I'm done, I'm going to go in on the lighter spots. Now this tiny bottle of Uberless Platinum Jasmine was about $14, and it has basically no product. I had to squeeze out the bottle, and then I had no product. My hair is long and I needed more, so I had to cut open the bottle, and when I cut open that bottle, there was about 50% of the product still in there. So if you get this, you have got to cut open that bottle if you want to save some coin. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I used a full tube of Colorista Clear Mixer. I'll put it on the screen now. And I still did not have enough product to fully saturate my hair. So if you get this and you have long hair, you're going to have to buy like 5 bottles of that Uberless product if you want it to go to its full intensity, because I did not have enough. It may look like my hair is fully saturated with this product, but I promise you it wasn't. If you look at the back or separate the hairs, you can see it definitely wasn't fully saturated, and I wish I could have done it, but I just did not have enough product. Okay, this is me hoping I have a good hair reveal. The hair reveal is coming in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is as white as I was able to get it. There's definitely some uneven spots. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But if you made it this far, comment a unicorn emoji down below. Leave a like on the video. Check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye!